Here we are on the pound Aussie. This is the 5 range chart, and this was a AB equals CD pattern with a double top that I've got involved with. Because this is the 5 range, it moves quite quickly, so when I got involved with this is how it looked here. We had the double top, we had the AB equals CD pattern, price has rallied up, and here on the 5 range has put in a new high. If we do go to the 5 minute though, and just take a quick look at this, and we have a slightly different story here. So here on the 5 minute, you can see just here we've put in tweezer tops, so you can see price has closed in the lower 30% here, giving us tweezer tops. And I put a blue structure line on here, so if we look left, we do have this structure level here, which has now come up and been tested. So I need the tops, the closes of the candles to be tested for any double top. If we look further left, it isn't a great structure level, but you can see that we've got another level that's here. Was there anything else? That's pretty much it. So not a fantastic structure level, but we do have that AB equals CD pattern coming into structure. We do have a valid double top, which is what's required whenever I look at these AB equals CD patterns. And just here as well on the RSI, we did have the RSI go oversold at around 84. We did have divergence there as well. So stop has just gone 3 pips above the high here, so not valid anymore here on the 5 range, but was valid when I entered. So in terms of risk, we're looking at 15 pips of risk here, and with any AB equals CD pattern, I look for first and secondary targets. So first targets are at the 382 for 24 pips, and secondary targets, we're looking down at that 61.8 fib ratio. We're looking at 45. So with this being the pound Aussie, it does have a big ATR. You can see now we're just pushing back down, which is always a nice sign. Let's have a look. Yep, so everything looks good here. This is an AB equals CD pattern. If we throw a fib on here, you can see we've just come into that 61.8. So this is a fit. This is a AB equals CD pattern, not a harmonic move. And we'll come back and see if we can push down for those potential targets. We're back for an update on the pound Aussie, and as you can see, we have actually spiked down here to hit target ones. For some reason it did not take. We spiked right past my take profit, and yeah, just has not taken, and we're seeing an instant reversal here. So I've moved 1 pip past break even now, and it's looking like this is going to be stopped out for break even. So there you go, just stopped out for break even.